In the meantime, Milestone Capital Advisors all set to launch a new commercial fund very soon. Additionally, the company plans to exit its affordable housing project at Ambivali-Kalyan. Now, to talk about the company's plans, Rubi Arya, Managing Director of Milestone Capital, joins us right now. Rubi, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you're having a good day. Now, I know you recently exited the Electronic City project that you were invested in Bangalore. Tell us what other exits you have lined up for the near future.
We've recently exited, commercial IT building in Bangalore, Electronic City, and that was a good exit at a 1.8 times investment multiple and, good IRR for our investors. The other exit that we are planning to do is, on the affordable housing project that we had invested way back in 2009. And, we were probably one of the first few to get into that sector. This is a project of Neptune builders in Ambivali-Kalyan, and with a ticket size of 25-30 lakhs. And we are exiting it now. The project, one phase is already completed, and the other two phases, the approvals are all in place. The project is de-risked, and we are getting financed by another NBFC with a 20% IRR.
Well, tell us about the investments you're planning to make. The most recent investment, of course, the 40 crore rupees you invested in Rajesh Life Spaces in Thane. What are the other residential projects that you're looking at right now?
So we are evaluating three projects currently, one in Bangalore, which is a plotted development where we are getting into the land acquisition stage, along with the developer of, who's a group with a great repute. And these kind of projects, it's a short gestation project, very much in sync with, what our product investment thesis is. And we are expecting to make a 20% IRR, out of the plotted development, project that we are envisaging to do. We are also looking at another project where, it's a refinancing of another PE fund. The project is already, up 6 floors and, so it's again a very de-risked project and a project by a good, developer group in Malad, which is a very, very upcoming micro market, and so that's the investment opportunity.
Well, Rubi, obviously, if you're considering a pure commercial fund, I'm assuming that REITs is the end game that you're looking out for. Are you optimistic of REITs kicking off soon enough, by the end of the year, perhaps? And will REITs be the manner in which you exit this commercial fund that you're planning on starting?
We are planning to do a commercial fund, and and the idea is that now that REITs is a possibility, and by the time we have to exit that fund, we would ideally want to. One of the methods could be to list via REITs and to exit via REITs, or otherwise, you can do a platform exit to another platform or asset by asset exit. So all those options are available depending on how successful REITs is in India, and I'm very optimistic that some of these bigger developers and global fund houses will launch the first REITs probably by the end of this year, and I think in the next 4-5 years, once you build a good portfolio of assets, one should look at exiting via REITs.